Hello everyone, welcome to your GK class. So today we will be talking about airport. I know some of you might have traveled in a flight or an airplane, but some of us may not have. But today we will talk about the different places or the different things that you can see in an airport. So this will give you a general idea about how an airport is or what are the different functions of the different places in an airport and so on. The first thing is an aero bridge. So as you can see, this is called an aero bridge. You know what it acts as? It is like a corridor that connects the aircraft to the terminal. So if people are sitting here, people are waiting here, that is called a terminal. And from there, the people walk through this corridor, which is called the aero bridge, and gets into the aircraft or the flight. So this is the corridor and it is called an aero bridge. The next one is a terminal. As you have seen here, people will be waiting here, no? So that is called a terminal. So terminal might look like this from outside. So in the terminal, passengers are waiting for the arrival or the departure of the aircraft, and those kinds of functions are handled inside a terminal. That is where people get into the flight, or people who come from some place, they depart to their to different places in an aviation terminal. So this place is called an aviation terminal. The arrival and departure of passengers are handled in the aviation terminal. Next, as you can see, is aviation fuel depot. Aviation fuel depot. It is the place where the petroleum, which is required for the aircrafts, are stored. So they will be the fuel will be filled from this place to the aircraft, and that's how they fly. ATC tower is another important place in the airport. This is the ATC tower. So as you can see, people will be sitting here, and the people who sit here, they will be ATC is called air traffic control. ATC, air traffic control. So they will be the people who are sitting here will be controlling the air traffic. They will be constantly in contact with the pilot, and they will be telling them if the runway is free, if they can take off now, if everything is clear, how the weather is, if they have to take care of something. Those kinds of informations regarding the traffic in the air happens here, and this is called an ATC tower. Now, fire station. Fire station, as you all know, will be handling if there are some accidents that happen due to fire. That will be taken care with the help of the fire station. So they have these trucks, so they will help in extinguishing the fire. Hangar. So hangar is a place where aircraft is stored or maintained. So it will be like a container box or a closed space where the aircraft is kept, it is stored, and maintenance of the aircrafts are also done there. Now, as you all know, tractors or trolley, it is used to carry luggage of the passengers or the crew of the airport. So when they walk through the airport, because airports are usually very big and you have to walk a long way, the tractors and trolleys can be used to carry your luggages. Runway. So runway is the long road that you can see in an airport. And this is the way in which the flight takeoff or the flight does the landing. So it will be a very long way. The flights have to maintain a speed to take off and to land. So that will be very long, and the flights can easily gain that speed and take off. So this long road is called a runway. Apron. So apron is a place where the aircrafts are parked. So as you can see, there will be different aircrafts going to different countries and different states. So they will be parked in an apron. Taxiway. Like runway, there are taxiways also. So suppose if this is a runway, this is a long road, this might be extending more. These small parts are called the taxiways which will connect the runway to the other places like the apron or the hangar or the terminals. So taxiways are the ones which connect. So flights will be going in a very slow speed through the taxiways, and when it reaches the runway, it can gain the speed and take off. So I have talked about 10 different things that is there in an airport. Now in your textbook, as the chapter says at the airport, that says at the airport, there are fill in the blanks as well as a picture of the airport with the different images that I have also shown. You can fill it up on your own using this information. Thank you.